Pack your bag and join us for our second day in Edinburgh as we explore the unbelievably amazing Edinburgh Castle. And we'll take you a few other places on the Royal Mile too. We're heading up to Edinburgh Castle right now. So it's a bit of a hike.
Just a few steps.
Just a few steps up, 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 and up, and up. So here we go.
Let me ask, is this the way in? Or is this just, I can't even tell.
I don't know, but this is how we're going.
Hopefully it works.
Look at that. That's super cool right there. All right, we're gonna cross the street and go up to the castle. We're doing more steps. More steps. Okay, you meet me up here tomorrow. Here you are.
It's so windy.
It's so windy, Lori's hood blew up.
We keep it up there?
I guess. Yeah.
Well, what's over here? There's somebody over here. Let's talk to them on the right.
All right, we'll talk to them. That is a massively cool castle. This is Frederick, Duke of York.
Where did you see 30 minutes?
The statue of Frederick, Duke of York was pretty cool looking, so we did stop to check it out. We're going into the castle. It's pretty big. It's pretty big. I don't know how long it's going to take. I think they give you 30 minutes. It's big.
They give you 30 minutes?
Yeah, look, the place is huge.
What do you do, just walk through fast?
I don't know, it's enormous.
I don't understand.
I mean, that's a big honking castle. I don't know how we're gonna... I don't know how to go through that in that short period of time. Alright, we're going in, finally. We got pretty lucky with getting tickets the same day, but now that things are busier, it's strongly suggested you get tickets well in advance. So plan ahead. Also, this place is massive, so plan on spending at least a couple of hours in here, and it'll go by in seconds, but it's really amazing. Since the castle overlooks the city of Edinburgh, you're going to get some really, really, really amazing views. The Lang stairs are 70 steps to give you access to the upper ward of the castle. Or he's heading for the cannons. The ARGYLE battery consists of 6 guns to defend the northern end of the castle. These 18-pound front-loading cannons are pretty intimidating. Atop the stairs is Mons Mag, where you'll find the 1 o'clock gun. It's a massively huge compound.
I'm not even sure where we're supposed to be walking to.
I don't know, we're just wandering, checking it out. I don't think those are period correct vehicles right there. Under this archway is the gateway to the National War Museum area, and some other cool stuff too. This is Earl Haig. Douglas Haig commanded the British Expeditionary Force during World War I. Once located at the castle entrance, it was moved here in 2011. Prominently poised on these rocks. There's just a really amazing display of things to see in the museum itself, including this artwork. If you're into history and memorabilia, you could spend a really long time in this space, for sure. We wandered around and had a lot of fun just exploring. From inside the castle, you can see it's a fortress for Edinburgh down below. Tools of the trade, or weapons of war. Regardless, it was really cool to see this stuff. So much stuff, Lori. Canteens, cookware, sacks.
Okay, read it all.
Oh. Well, this is the governor's house behind me. Lori, I don't think we can go in, but it's
I can't tell because it's
certainly a cool looking building.
Oh, maybe you can. I don't know.
Look at this thing. This is quite the structure. This is the way. Let's go through. Oh, Lori, this is cool. Look at this. Oh, this is cool. Yeah, I really like this. So that's the Queen Anne building right over here. Look at this. This is spectacular right here. This is where Mary Queen of Scots gave birth to James VI. You can see the crown jewels in the building too. Entering the museum this way, you'll get to see where the prisoners of war were held. And that was pretty cool, but pretty dark and hard to film, unfortunately. I cannot get over the stonework. This place just blows my mind. It is so incredible. You have to see it to believe it. I'll try to capture it now, but look at this way this is built. Into the volcano. It's actually a dormant volcano, and how do you do that? It's insane, but really beautiful and cool. Well, let's go check out more of Edinburgh. Let's go down, check out more of the city, because we were here yesterday and the weather's cooperating, so let's go see some more.
You can if you want.
Let's go.
Are you set then?
I'm good. Somehow we ended up wandering by the witchery again from the castle. Imagine that, because the place is really close to it.
Don't rain it.
Let's film this thing, because this is like... Lori's going to give you a perspective of how tall these doors are. Seriously feeling like we're like in Harry Potter.
Actually, maybe not. See? He's wherever he wants to be.
Great.
So that could be a picture maybe right there.
Isn't that a great picture?
Right here.
Yeah, that's really cool. That's just incredible.
Yep.
So many cute places, and yet we can't seem to find one we like.
We should be walking. People are walking the center. You're not supposed to walk so close to everybody eating, I guess.
Well, we're going to Fiddler's Arms to grab a bite to eat and probably something to drink too. That's my suspicion here. This place right here is where we're going. This place is really cool inside. You know how just cool this is. Look at this place.
Wear your shorts now, this one.
It is almost shorts weather. And look, you can see down the street outside. So I have Edinburgh Gold. This is my beer of choice for the moment. And Lori has something different. What do you have?
I have Caledonia's Best. And it's a little crazy because it's a 3.2.
I think mine's a little bigger than that probably, but mine's a Cascale, yours is not.
And this is from Scotland. This is a Scottish beer.
Ooh, mine's really good. Nice and bitter. All right, I'm trying the bangers and mash, which is haggis, sausage, mashed potatoes, and whiskey sauce.
I have the salmon and mash.
It's a nice looking dinner right there. Looks like they gave you some veggies too.
I did vegetables and mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes, and it's good?
Mm-hmm. Very good.
Yay.
Very fresh.
Good. It's good.
So you can tell where the haggis is?
I think it's in the sausage.
So it doesn't, it tastes fine?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, it's good. All right. Last night in Edinburgh, last night in Scotland. So here's to a great trip.
Cheers.
Cheers. We'll be back, probably Scotland, so watch out. Good stuff.
So I'm going.
Yes.
It makes me cough.
We're heading up to Edinburgh Castle. I said it wrong. Bird is the word. Bird is the word.
Should we open?
Those are, you know what? There's a joke there. Those are some big knockers.
Great. This is a children's show.
Oh, it's a children's show. Crap. I might not cut that out.
Gray Friar Kirk.
Gray Friar Kirkyard.
No.
Right? Gray Friar. Why can't we say it? Gray Friar. Okay. Don't worry about that.
No, you just like.
Let's do it again.